Hello everyone, in this video I would like to explain what parts of speech and word classifications are and how to use them. In the previous episode, I have explained completely about parts of speech and word classification. I hope you understand it, and in this video you will get more information about the two subjects. Parts of speech are the basic categories of words based on their function and role in a sentence. As covered, this classification divides words into 8 categories like nouns, pronouns, adjectives, verbs, adverbs, conjunctions, prepositions, and interjection based on their function in sentences. These categories help us understand how words interact to form sentences and convey meanings. Whereas word classification is the categorization of words based on their grammatical rules, structure, and how they function in a sentence. It's a broader linguistic term that encompasses parts of speech as well as other ways of grouping words. Here some examples of words based on the parts of speech to form sentences and convey meanings as follow. There are 4 categories of words: verb, adverb, adjective, and noun. Beautify is a verb. The adverb of beautify is beautifully. The adjective is beautiful, and the noun is beauty. Socialize, verb. Socially, adverb. Social, adjective. Sociality, noun. The next one, finalize, verb. Finally, adverb. Final, adjective. Finalization, noun. Formalize, verb. Formally, adverb. Formal, adjective. Formalization, noun. Organize, verb. Organizationally, adverb. Organizational, adjective. And organization, noun. Then I would like to explain each of the item. 1. Verb is to describe actions, states, or occurrences. 2. Adverb is to modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs, or when describing how, when, or where something happens. 3. Adjectives is to describe or modify nouns. 4. Nouns are words that name people, things, animals, places, or ideas. Look at the examples of the sentences using the correct parts of speech of the word. Number 1, beautify is a verb. The sentence is, the man beautifies the park with flowers once a month. Beautifully, adverb. The sentence is, the artist sings the song beautifully. Beautiful, adjective. The sentence, the park looks so beautiful. Many visitors visit it for refreshing. Beauty is a noun. The sentence, the visitors like visiting the park because of its beauty. 2. The word socialize, verb. The example of the sentence, it's important for children to socialize with their friends. Socially, adverb. The examples of the sentence, she is socially active and attends many events. Social, adjective. The example of the sentence, social issues like poverty and education need to be socialized. Sociality, noun. The example of the sentence, the sociality of species is the proof in their cooperative behavior. Finalize, verb. The example of the sentence, I need to finalize the proposal of a new project. Finally, the adverb. Examples of the sentence, the students finally finished their assignment well. Final, adjective. The example of a sentence, the final examination will be held next week. Finalization, a noun. The example of the sentence, the finalization of the project took several weeks. Formalize, verb. The example of the sentence, we need to formalize our partnership with a contract. Formally, adverb. The example of the sentence, the agreement was formally signed by both parties. Formal, adjective. The example of the sentence, English is used in our formal conference. Formalization, noun. The example of the sentence, the formalization of the rules takes at least a month. Organize, verb. The example of the sentence, she organized the volleyball team well to participate in the championship. Organizationally, adverb. The example of the sentence, organizationally, the team was structured to handle projects quickly and collaboratively. Organizational, adjective. The examples of the sentence, the great organizational structure makes the company operate more efficiently. Organization, noun. The example of the sentence, WHO is World Health Organization. Well, everyone, now we go on to the exercise. I hope you can do it well. Choose the right words on the following sentences. Number 1, she's singing the song, blah blah blah, captivating everyone in the audience. Which word is the right answer? It's okay. Beautifully. So the right sentence is she's singing the song beautifully, captivating everyone in the audience. 2. Many researchers study blah 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 to better understand group behavior in both animals and humans. What's the right answer? Okay, sociality. So the sentence should be many researchers study sociality to better understand group behavior in both animals and humans. 3. The blah 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 of the project took longer than expected due to the last minute adjustment. What's the right answer? It's okay, finalization. So the sentence should be finalization of the project took longer than expected due to last minute adjustments. 4. The company decided to blah 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 its remote work policy to provide clear guidelines for employees. What's the right answer for this sentence? It's okay. Formalize. The sentence should be the company decided to formalize its remote work policy to provide clear guidelines for employees. Last one, 5. President Prabowo said that good blah 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 culture can boost state of visual, moral, and productivity. It's okay. Organizational. So the sentence should be President Prabowo said that good organizational culture can boost state officials, moral, and productivity. I hope you understand it well. Thank you very much for your attention. See you in the next episode in different topic. Bye bye.